Hello everyone! Welcome back to Little Feet's Reborn Nursery channel. Today I have a uh, opening box from Bountiful Baby, and this is the most expected baby. I've been waiting for this baby to be available so I can buy it. I got it. I got it. So I'm gonna be showing you. Oh my gosh, this is super nice. I wanted this baby as soon this kid came out. I wanted to get it so bad, and at that time I wasn't ready to get him. So guess what? When I went to buy it, it was sold out. Not good, but they put them back on stock. So there, I got it. So this is the paper, and this is from Bountiful Baby. Yes, I cannot wait to reborn this baby. Oh my goodness, you guys, look who it is. He is so big. I'm pretty sure you know who I'm talking about. Ouch, my knee. Ow, ow, ow. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, you guys. I don't want to. I just, I cannot knee down some ways. Look at this, you guys. Look at this chunky leg. Oh, this is so adorable. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at the other chunky leg. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So cute. Hey, so cute. Wow. There. Look at this. Look at the arms. Look, he has a fist. I cannot wait. This is so, oh my goodness. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Look at his hand. Look at this chunky hand. This kid, you want to see now. This kid, look at the head. He has a huge head. But I like him. Oh my goodness. Look at this. He is Joseph. Look at this adorable baby. Oh my goodness. You guys, I wanted this kid really bad. I mean, bad. That um, I saw him and I said, yes, the baby. He supposedly he's 3 months, but he's gonna fit in clothes of 6 months, 12 months, and maybe 18 months. And this is the certificate. This is the certificate of authenticity. Look at this. That is so cute. So maybe later on I get the belly plate. Yes, because it's so cute. But I'm gonna make it, and it's called by if this help. Oh, Denise Pratt. Yes. So cute. Yes. I am super, see, sleeping. 3-month Joseph sleeping. I'm gonna make this kid as a girl. Yes, I'm gonna make this kid as a girl, and maybe later I get another one and I make it as a boy, because I like them so much, because of the chunkiness, because of the size, and it's gonna be so much fun reborning this baby that, oh my goodness, I'm gonna enjoy reborning this baby. So yeah, you guys, that's it. That was my exciting news. Yes, my bountiful baby Joseph. He's here. Oh, it's gonna be so much fun. But you guys, look at this. It's like a really size head of a kid. Look at this. Look at those lips. Oh my goodness, look at this over here. Yes, he's so cute. And those closed eyes. Oh, look at the ears. Oh, oh my goodness, he's so cute. I cannot wait to reborn this baby. Yes, you guys, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye.